Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02287 error in Oracle Database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#call. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL query. Okay. Now let me select one table. Select star from master table 2. So here no records are there. So let me check what are the fields available there. So two fields, employee number and name is there. Okay. So I am going to insert some records to the master table 2. So inside the insert query I am mentioning the sequence number. So sequence number for employee number. Okay. So sequence number is already created. Okay. So now I have inserted one record. Let me insert another one. So commit. Okay. So two records are inserted. Okay. So employee number is generated from sequence number 2025. So I think with the gap of 5 values. Okay. Employee number having the gap of 5 values. Let me write one SQL query. Delete from master table to where employee number equal to sales sequence 4 dot NEXTVAL. So I am using the sequence in delete query. So what has happened here? ORA-02287 sequence number not allowed here, which means that sequence number basically used for inserting in the values. Okay, not for delete query. So you should use the sequence number appropriately where it is required. Okay, so we cannot use in for deleting the records. Okay, sequence number cannot be used in queries like deleting the records. Mostly it is used in inserting the records only. Okay, so now I have corrected the query. So make sure that you have used the sequence number appropriately.